In an instant, the world thrusts further into the digital era, altering our way of living, working, and connecting. With every moment, technology advances, pushing the boundaries of the imaginable, while simultaneously transforming the business landscape. However, as the digital horizon widens, a gap has surfaced, distinguishing those ready for this new reality from those lagging behind, obscured in the shift. This gap, driven by the swift pace of digital transformation, represents more than a mere fissure. It symbolizes a widening divide, threatening the futures of many professionals unprepared for the increased demands of digital know-how. In today's world, digital literacy isn't a perk, it's essential. Stories of missed opportunities due to inadequate digital skills are becoming more frequent, ranging from overlooked promotions to failures in innovation and competitiveness. Yet, hope resides within this digital predicament, a beacon of learning, adaptation, and progress. Join us on a journey towards digital empowerment, where closing this gap is not just a goal, but a tangible outcome. Stay with us and explore how digital proficiency can revolutionize careers and lives alike. At the core of the ever-evolving digital realm, the Global Skills for the Future program stands as a solution to the critical challenge confronting professionals globally, bridging the expanding divide between present competencies and the digital acumen required in today's businesses. This initiative serves as a pivotal turning point, not only ushering professionals to the forefront of digital innovation, but also arming them with the vital skills to lead in a digital-centric world. Covering areas from data analytics to digital marketing mastery, the program offers extensive training to enhance professional prowess. The true measure of its impact is reflected in the participants' stories, each a narrative of transformation where conventional skills are refined and new abilities are shaped for tomorrow's demands. These successes spotlight the profound influence of the program, turning participants into pioneers of their digital futures. As we transition to the next phase, we'll examine the concrete advantages of such digital expertise. Await narratives that illustrate not only personal triumphs and career progression, but also the wider implications for innovation and competitiveness in the business sector. The journey from digital literacy to mastery is indeed filled with promise and potential. Digital proficiency stands as a catalyst for personal and professional distinction, innovation, and business success. Having navigated through the challenges of the digital divide and the transformative potential of the Global Skills for the Future program, we now highlight the tangible benefits bestowed upon those with digital acumen. Through various case studies, a consistent theme emerges. Individuals and businesses that prioritize digital skills visibly outperform their counterparts. These success stories are the fruits of a digital-first mindset, underscoring the significant impact of digital proficiency on career and business growth. As we weave together these narratives, the importance of embarking on the digital proficiency journey comes into sharper focus. Far beyond mere competitiveness, it represents a gateway to endless opportunities. This moment could be your turning point to unleash your digital potential. For as we've showcased, embracing digital skills paves the way not just for career or business advancement, but for a future defined by success and innovation.